Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a remix. I decided to make a remix for the contest. I'm not sure if I will take part in this contest. I just wanted to check what we have on label radar, and I saw that we have Oliver Heldens and track called Heart Cry. I really like this track, and I decided to download this remix pack and try to make my own version, something like just for YouTube channel, but maybe I'll upload my remix there, maybe not this one because I produced it for my channel, but I produced remix for Pragmatico, a track called Gospel Freaks, just for the channel. Then I decided to take part in this contest, and I won it. It's crazy, it's really crazy how it works sometimes, but anyway, let me show you what I did. I'll leave the link in description. You can check how I started. I speak other language there. Anyway, you can check this video and figure out how I produce this remix from scratch. Here I'll show you some parts of this track, and I'll explain how I made it. Okay, if you want to listen to the full version of this remix, check my Telegram channel. I'll upload an MP3 file there. So we have remix. It's something like 2 minutes, not longer, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So we have 2 breakdowns and 2 drops. It's a classical commercial remix. And we have 2 different drops, something like we have here my own lead. I'll explain how I made it, of course. And here I decided to use these vocals because I really like how it sounds. Sounds really cool. We have 2 different type of drops. And we for breakdowns we have here just raise bass, this black or lead, filter it, something like that. Here we have some chords from the remix pack. By the way, in the remix pack you can check, you can find some MIDI files. By the way, also we have MIDI file for chords. I decided to use just this wave file, except Serum or something else, but you can make your own remix using your chords. Something like that. So let me show you what we have here. We have the rhythm section. It sounds like that. Yeah, there are a lot of drums here. We have this kick. Sounds like that. By the way, I used this kick for my ME Eurodance track. We have 2 layers of clap. I decided to use this closed head, something like that, if you can see the volume here, and I decided to use different pen variations to make it more wide. Something like that. Also we have 2 layers here. We have open head. I decided to use a bit more delay here. Also we have these loops. Something like that. And it sounds really massive. We have two layers for the bass. By the way, I decided to make offbeat bass because it's something like a dance pop or Eurodance. I used this MIDI from Remix Pack. It look like that, actually. It look like that, and I used just these lower notes of this pad to make wrist bass, and I use this one for to make this bass. We have sub bass, we have mid bass. Mid bass sounds a bit distorted to make more punch here. So I decided to use these. It's something like a gated effects, but I decided to just make it in piano roll. Actually, I used also this pad from Remix Pack. I used these notes, something like that, to make yeah, I guess it's like that. So let me show you. Yeah, we have the same notes, and I made these short and long notes to make something like a gate effects. It's something like a fake gate effects. Yeah, because we have short notes and long notes. It sounds like that, and it sounds like a lead on first drop. Then I decided to make automation to the volume of this for the volume of this Nexus presets, because we have a lot of sounds here, and that's why I decided to make it quiet. Something like that. We have 2 layers of gate pad. Something like that. So in the breakdowns we have wrist bass. Here I decided to use octave bass, something like Italo disco. Yeah, and it sounds really cool. I really like how it sounds. So we have here a pad, also from the Remix Pack. I mean MIDI file, of course. I decided to use Nexus here. So we have this lead from a Remix Pack. Also I found MIDI and decided to make it using Serum preset. And I used here automation for the cutoff filter. I used something like uplifting trance plug lead to make this effect. And we have here something like also something like automation, because we have a vocal here. Can you hear, Ma? Can you hear? Can you hear? Yeah, it sounds also really good because we have here something like a plug playing on the background, and here we have the lead. By the way, I used two layers, my layer and the layer from the remix pack. By the way, we have here something like a major chord instead of minor, and it sounds really epic in this moment. So also we have here from the remix pack some waves. I decided to use them in the second breakdown. So we have the vocal part. I decided to use just these vocals in the both breakdowns. Here I decided to use this gross beat effect, the preset called Transgate 1, also the similar like I made with these notes. Yes, something like that. And I decided to use a lot of reverb. You can see the send here to 25 insert, and we have here very nice whole preset. It's really a huge preset for the vocals. I really like it. So here we have also vocals from remix pack, and here we have I really like this part, and we have also the same effect like here. Yeah, and we have FX section. Let me show you. Try a lot of elements, something like sub FX, downlifter, uplifter. Sounds like that. So I think I don't know if I will be I feel if I will take part in this participation. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I'll make my own version. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, you can check this project. Check the link in the description. My Patreon and Boosty, the same content there. So maybe you want to make your own version of remix for Oliver Heldens contest. Yeah, something like that. Just check links in my description and tell me what do you think about this remix. Maybe you would make something different. Anyway, let me know in the comments. So Menchu was here. Bye bye guys.